We're here with Ray from PushLife, and he's the founder and CEO of PushLife. If you haven't heard of PushLife, you probably will. They have a current demo going on with Virgin to power their Virgin Mobile Live, and it's coming to Android. It's on BlackBerry. It's also on feature phones. I'm going to go through a demo because this is really something you want to get your hands on when it does come available on the consumer level. So let's take it through the experience, because this experience is literally amazing from a music perspective.
So right when you open the app, we have a bunch of featured content, artists and albums that you can quickly purchase from the music store. These are things that you might be interested in. At the bottom here, we have again the music store and your core library. So you can browse by genre. We've got the top 100 new albums, and you can just quickly preview a song. And you'll see that the 30-second clip starts playing, and in one click you can just buy the music, and it's one click purchase right to your phone, and the next time you go home it's automatically synced back to your iTunes library. And then if you were to go into the player, you can see that it's just very sort of familiar. You can browse your library by artists or by the songs. It's got this mode where you can check out everything on your computer. You can see all the songs here that are grayed out that are on my computer and not on my phone.
Oh, that's cool.
In a couple of clicks, I can just queue them up to be added to my phone. I can even add them to other playlists I want. So
you can basically manage your entire music catalog right from your device.
Exactly, and anything you do here automatically syncs back to your iTunes or Windows Media Player library. So it keeps your phone in complete sync with your library at home.
From any device, like a BlackBerry, from feature phone to Android, connects right to you. Wow.
And so now let's maybe just play a song, browse by artist. Let's pick maybe one of the favorite Linkin Park song. And you'll see the playback experience we have, and we call this the jewel case. So you can sort of browse through. We recommend ringtones based on the song you're listening to. We have artist biographies that you can read on the go. Music store. So again, songs that are sort of similar to the song that you're listening to that you can browse very quickly. Song lyrics and even band photos that you can peruse.
Cool.
We have a neat feature where you click on the album art, it actually quickly goes and compares your library against the store, and now you can see showing me that I have 2 songs from this album, but it's showing me what I'm missing. I can very quickly just click them and buy the rest.
And then it's billed to your monthly bill?
Yeah, and then it's added to your bill, and all of this automatically again syncs back to iTunes.
So can you still go to other programs while just playing in the background?
Oh yeah, absolutely. So I can go, just right out of here, and I can be doing anything else on my phone. And in fact, we even got little widgets so you can kind of control song playback right from over there. And in fact, you can be downloading music, playing music, and typing emails all at the same time.
That's awesome.
And you can even go sort of beyond that. For the hardcore music guys, they can even edit metadata, their song library that all syncs back to iTunes. You can change the star ratings that again all sync back as well.
Amazing.
So we're also very tightly integrated into both Facebook and Twitter. So with the click of a button, you can share previews of the songs you're listening to with your friends.
That's amazing. And then it shares it, but then people will be able to purchase it as well?
Yeah, people will get a preview link to the song. They can check it out, and if they want to buy it, they can go buy it from the store of their choice, iTunes, Amazon, wherever they'd like it.
So this is from an Android device. What about a BlackBerry?
Yeah, so I'll show you that right now. So BlackBerry device, very sort of similar experience, but optimized for the keypad instead of a touchscreen. So you've got the same sort of artists. You've got the music store that's
really fast.
Yeah, it's really quick to be able to preview and purchase music here. Even if I were to browse by genre, you'll see that everything just loads up really, really quickly in the store. And then if I were to go into the player, same idea. So you've got the stuff on my computer and the stuff on your phone that you can you can quickly access right from here. You can add tracks to the playlist, add them to your phone, remove them from your phone just using the BlackBerry menu. If I play a song, it's the same sort of experience. So it's really rich, biographies, song lyrics, photos, just like you saw before.
So that's a completely different music experience on not only Android but a BlackBerry than what people are used to.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I mean, it truly delivers the promise of the Apple Media experience on non-Apple devices. Every single thing you could do in iTunes, really, you can do right from this device.
100%. Wow. And what about a feature phone?
And this is probably one of the most difficult ones to do, but we're pretty insistent on taking a phone like this. I mean, this is cheaper than even an iPod, and these phones are being given away for free, and we can deliver the same sort of experience on them. So if I were to go into the player here, you'll see that I can shift it again into the My Computer versus the My Phone mode. Select songs, add them to playlists, add them to my phone. It all works.
That's amazing. Way. So it basically takes a standard basic device and makes the music experience that much better.
Yeah, absolutely. And here I'll play a song. You can see what the playback experience is like, exactly like what you saw on the smartphones. So biographies.
So how does this work in the back end to make it look like that? So from this device to like an Android device, which is completely different.
So one of the key things we did was we built our own Java database that sits on the device and caches all of this content very intelligently. So for a device like this, when you sync with your computer, we use your PC to download all of this content and put it on your phone. So we don't necessarily waste your data, your data connection, and it's fast. The same sort of Facebook and Twitter integration is all built into it. It's exactly like the smartphone implementation.
So what are your future plans with this that you're allowed to say? Like, where is this going next? Because it's currently only available on Virgin. Is that correct?
Yeah, so it's available with Virgin Mobile in Canada, but the big launch coming up in November is going to be through the App Store, so the Android Marketplace and the RIM App Stores, and all of these apps will be available there for download for free. And
that's wicked. That's great. Congratulations. That's the music experience is completely different than what we've seen before.